Ethical considerations. Ecology research often involves working with living organisms and natural ecosystems, and therefore presents a variety of ethical considerations. Some of the key ethical issues that ecologists need to consider when conducting fieldwork and data analysis. Number 1. Animal welfare. Ecologists who work with animals must ensure that their research does not cause unnecessary harm or distress to the animals. This can involve using non-invasive research methods, minimizing the use of animals in experiments, and ensuring that animals are handled or housed in a way that is appropriate for their species. Number 2. Informed consents. In some cases, ecological researchers may involve working with human participants. In these rare cases, researchers must ensure that participants are fully informed about the nature of their research and its potential risks and benefits, and that they give their voluntary and informed consents to participate. Number 3. Access and ownership of data. Ecologists must collect data from private landowners or indigenous communities. In these cases, it is important to obtain permission to access the land and to work collaboratively with local stakeholders to ensure that their interests are respected. Researchers must also consider who owns the data that they collect and whether or not they have the rights to share or public that data. Number 4. Environmental impact. Ecological research can have a range of environmental impacts such as habitat destruction or pollution. Ecologists must ensure that their research activities do not harm natural ecosystems that they are studying and may need to take steps to mitigate any negative change. Number 5. Cultural sensitivity. Ecologists who work with indigenous communities or other culturally distinct groups must be sensitive to their cultural practices and beliefs and must work collaboratively with these groups to ensure that their research is conducted in a respectful and ethical manner. Number 6. Data privacy and security. Ecologists must ensure that they protect the privacy and security of data they collect, particularly when it includes sensitive personal information or location data. In summary, ecologists must consider a range of ethical issues when conducting fieldwork and data analysis. These issues include animal welfare, informed consents, access and ownership of data, environmental impact, cultural sensitivity, and data privacy and security. By taking these issues into account, ecologists can ensure that their research is conducted in ethical and responsible manner and that the interests of all stakeholders are respected.